babes, it's your girl Sweet Angel. Hello and welcome into the channel. Y'all, I'm super excited to bring you today's video, and this video today is in partnership with Forlest. Let me tell you all about Forlest, and we're going to get into what we're getting into today. Now, for your convenience, I do have the link below down in the description. I'm happy to be an affiliate of Forlest because, y'all, Forlest is a bra brand and one of the finest bra brands I have ever heard of. Forlest was inspired to provide supportive and comfortable wireless bras for women. Did you hear what I said? I said wireless. Now, they deliver bras that blur the aesthetic lines of lingerie and activewear. They have established an entirely new category with their exclusive patent right, a revolutionary technology that they call jelly gel. You heard me. Jelly gel. That's the new species between wired and wireless. It's a kind of super flexible gel they call jelly. Now, you can tell by their products that they're sewn with extra love and extra care. Believe it or not, Forlest was founded in 2021. However, they have been in the lingerie e-commerce industry for about 12 years, or since around maybe 2009. Initially, they specialized in petite underwear, and they were working hard to be inclusive and more diversified by expanding their sizes in terms of larger bust and larger band. Now their website is global, which includes, of course, the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and so on. The one thing most of us ladies have a big problem with is getting the right fitting bra. Don't you know it? We want the right fitting bra, but we also want one that is comfortable for all day wear. And I'm on to it right now. Beautiful babes, let me share with you today what I have. Forlest, y'all did that. Thank you. I have 3 of these amazing bras to try on today, and I'm super excited, as you can see. And yes, I will be showing you all the details of these amazing bras. The first one that I'm going to try on today is this Matcha color bra. This one is called Amber, and it's a skin-friendly minimizer bra, and it's great for summer daily. And it comes in 5 different colors. The color I have is called Matcha. Y'all, their sizes range from the smallest to the largest, and that's amazing. Very much amazing. Just look at the details of this bra. Again, wire free, but yet it's supportive. The fabric is super durable. It feels like silk. It does. It's so smooth, and it fits the body like snug, like so smooth. And y'all, these bras are not heavy, they're lightweight and super breathable. And listen, this is larger breast friendly. It will support triple D cups and above. Great support, great coverage all around. This particular bra, the Amber, features these 1.2 inch wide adjustable straps, so it's no digging in the shoulders, and they also have wider side wings. This Amber bra also provides more coverage to prevent bulges. Now, there is no digging. As I mentioned, there's no digging in the shoulders, unlike my other bra that I had on with the skinny straps. Oh my gosh, after a long day holding the girls up, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. And this one also features 4 hook and eye closures on the back. Perfect for your daily wear and low impact sports. And as you can see, smooth when you put your clothes on. Love it, love it. Now let's move on to the next one. Is this cute little black deal here. This one is the Jelly Gel Mabel, the no wire bra for big boobs. Now this one is going to fit those who are up to a size I cup. Yeah, you heard me right. I cup. Now, truly, that is phenomenal. This one I love so much because guess what? It does have a little more of a plunging neckline, which is cute. This one comes in 4 different colors. I have the, of course, black one, which they call it the Americano. And this one you can wear with your sexy dress. It has the deep V design, suitable to wear under your t-shirts, working blouse, or dress. And it also has the low back and 3 hook and eye closures. Its straps are fully adjustable, just like the other bra I put on, and you can wear it no matter what the occasion. Beautiful bra, y'all. It's so smooth and so silky. I love it, and it's hard to find great quality bras. Most of them will have all of the underwiring, everything uncomfortable about them, but not these bras. They are so comfortable. And now the final bra I have is this cute one here. This one is the Jelly Gel, the see-through Deco stretch bra. This one comes in 5 different colors. Y'all, don't you love it? Look at it. This is great to put on with those low dip type outfits that possibly, just showing too much and you don't want to. So this front with this cute see-through area here is just adorable. Mine is in Cafe Latte, and it is so nice. Oh my gosh, I really love this one. I'm really digging this one. And it is, again, the trendy mesh design. Not only wicks moisture, but also minimizes breast size. The wide wings provide greater coverage to prevent bulges, and this one features a 3 hook and eye closure on the back, and the straps are, of course, fully adjustable. I love it. Oh my gosh, this one is so cute, y'all. I am in love with it. As you can see how it just covers everything, no back bulge, very nice. And of course, if I wanted to take this particular jumpsuit and zip it down, you can just see the nice mesh in front. However you want to do it, it's a complete thumbs up for me. Not only that, y'all, in your package you're also going to get a measuring tape, so you're good to go whenever you're ready to order again. You'll know your exact size. You can measure up and see what you need. They think of all the details. How about that? Super loving these bras. As you can see, they are super nice. Forlest got the assignment and ran with it. They know exactly what ladies want, and I am loving this concept completely. These, oh yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put these in my lingerie drawer because it's on and popping, and I'm feeling good, and they're looking good. The sisters are looking good. As you can see, I zipped down my jumpsuit a little bit, and now you can see the little mesh there. How about that? Forlest, you met the assignment. You raised the bar for everyone. Love it, indeed I do. All right, beautiful babes, thank you so much for coming to hang out with me. Y'all, these bras, as I said, are amazing. You're going to love them. Please make sure you check out the link below in the description box, as well as the first comment of this video. The link will be there, as well as any discount codes that I have for all of my beautiful babes. Y'all, I'm in love and I'm feeling like $1,000,000. Thank you so much again. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know what to do. Always share me with your world. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.